today, I'm going to go over related products, or as they're called on the site, upsells in this particular situation. So if we go to a particular product, actually let's go back. I'm going to go to this phone that we had before, and I want to say that there is a particular product that is related to this. And you see there's things like recently added, recently viewed. Sure, but we want what's called an upsell in Magento language, and it could be called an upsell in other languages as well. But so the same way we had searched for this before, we're going to search again. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste this in here. No, not Alfred. Okay, I'm going to hit enter, and here's a product. So I'm going to click here. So what we want to go to is upsells right here. Notice how there's also related products and cross-sells. We'll go over those in a second. The way this works is basically right now it's showing us everything that is an upsell because this says yes right here. It's filtered this to show all the products that are considered upsells already. And since there are none, we have no records found. If we want to say any, so whether they're an upsell or not, we're going to say that and then search. And then now it's any products. And now we could go and find some phones, or I'm actually going to type phone in here to see. Oh, there is no record for phone. I'm just going to use the attribute set then, and I'm going to say give me cell phones, and I'm going to search for those, and now I'm going to check some boxes. I'm just going to say these ones are all related to this particular phone, and I'm going to save this. So now let's go to our product and refresh the page. If you'll notice, if we scroll down here, you'll see you may be interested in the following products. So it's trying to sell your customers these new products here. It's going to say, oh, well, you might also be interested in these. So maybe if you have a cheaper phone, you want to put some more expensive ones in here and see if you can get your customers to upsell to these, maybe this $399 phone right here. Well, what is related products? Well, let's go back. I'm going to go back into this phone. And here in related products, I'm going to add some. And this one I'm going to be a little less particular about it. Even though these aren't super related, I'm just going to click and add them as being related. And then we're also going to add some cross-sells as super related. And I'm going to click save here, and we're going to see where I put these. Okay, now let's come to the product. If we refresh this, you see there are related products right here. They'll show up in a different spot. This is a different block. So down here, you might be interested in the following products. This is sort of what like Amazon.com has. Related products, we'll throw them into a block right here. So now let's add the last of the three. Let's add the cross-sells. Let's go back to our product. Let's click on it once more, and let's go to cross-sells and see where it puts those. So I'm going to select any again. We're going to search, and again, I'm just going to select 3 random products here. Of course, you'll want to be more selective about that when you're doing it on an actual store. Okay, we have that. Now let's refresh this page, and let's see if it's added them here. We have related products. We have, you might be interested in our upsells, but we don't have anything else. So where did it put those? Well, let's check some places. Let's check the shopping cart. Well, here they are. I have to admit, I actually knew they were going to be here, but if you've purchased or if you've selected cross-sells, they're going to show up here at the shopping cart where it says based on your selection, you might also like these right when your customer is about to check out. This is something that you've seen on pretty much many of the websites that you go to purchase things. So that's all good. Those are cross-sells, upsells, and related products. All three very similar but a little bit different things.